Ooh, we're getting into fall and it's so exciting. I'm so excited to share these fabrics with you. We're going to start with the Christian Dior. This is a sweatshirt fabric. It's got fleece, you know, real short fleece on one side and then a mini rib on the other side. I'm sure you can't see that. It's got stretch in both directions, slight stretch, more stretch in one than the other, but this is really great sweatshirt fabric. 100% cotton, Christian Dior. Beautiful. This is a Sherpa. It's a faux Sherpa. It is beautiful, it's a gray cast color, and I put it next to this gray so you can see. It's a cream, but it's got a gray base tone to it, and it's really, really beautiful. It's easy to work with. I've made something out of it. We'll share with you tomorrow night, but it's really nice. This is also Christian Dior. I'm sorry, this was Christian Dior also. This is also, it is a gray, it's 100% wool knit. It is reversible. The backing is a kind of a cream color. It goes beautiful with the Sherpa, and it is lovely. It has stretch in both directions, slight stretch, more stretch in one direction than the other. And again, Christian Dior, and it's a beautiful gray wool. Now these are about 65 inches. This one is about 65 inches. It's very wide, so watch those widths when you go to order. This is cotton poly. It's a faux leather reversible suede, so it has stretch in one direction. So you could even do a pair of yoga pants, a pair of leather yoga pants. The slim, if you get too slim, you need stretch in both directions, so that's going to stop it. But anyway, this is a black suede back and a faux leather front, because I'm going to show you another one here in a minute. This is a velvet burnout. Now, I'm doing a jacket for tomorrow. We'll see if I get it done. But anyway, it's a Chanel, and it's got a cape. It's the cape jacket. Anyway, I'm going to show that to you. There's a beautiful burnout, black velvet burnout that is just absolutely lovely. Cotton poly again. Remember, you have to have two fabrics to have a burnout. And then this other, this is a faux leather also, stretch in one direction, a little lighter, and then with a gray suede is the reversible. They're all reversible. They're both reversible, I should say. One has the gray back and one has the black back. But they're both, and this is a little bit lighter than this one. They're both great, but this is a little bit lighter. So the goal is, and I know you will with these fabrics, have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.